Maximize every dollar. Pro budgeting tips for entrepreneurs and small businesses. As an entrepreneur, you're no stranger to the myriad challenges that come with managing business finances. Every decision matters, and every penny counts. In the intricate dance of revenue and expenses, how can you ensure your financial footing remains solid? Welcome to our guide on mastering the art of business budgeting. 1. Understand your expenditure. Start with the basics. Recognize where your money goes. Is it rent, utilities, marketing, product costs, or something else? Building a clear picture of your financial outflows is the first step to effective budgeting. 2. Embrace balance. In business, there's a constant push and pull between spending and saving. Striking the right balance is crucial. Remember, you might need to spend money to make money, but the idea is to do so wisely without straining your resources. 3. Track and prioritize. A meticulously tracked budget can be a game changer. Whether you employ sophisticated tools like QuickBooks or stick to Excel sheets, monitoring your income and expenses helps in financial forecasting. Prioritize your spendings. What drives your business growth the most? Direct funds towards that catalyst. 4. Growth is incremental. In the entrepreneurial world, patience is a virtue. While the allure of rapid expansion is tempting, it's essential to remember that growth often comes in stages. Celebrate the small wins, for they lay the foundation for significant successes. 5. The role of technology. In today's digital age, there's a tool for everything, and budgeting is no exception. Financial management apps and software not only aid in tracking, but also in predictive analysis, helping you plan better for the future. 6. Stay adaptable. The business landscape is ever evolving, and so should your budgeting strategies. Regularly revisit and revise your financial plans to align them with your business's current needs and future aspirations. In conclusion, mastering your finances means securing your business's future. It means making informed decisions, anticipating challenges, and turning them into opportunities. With careful planning, diligence, and a bit of savvy, you can ensure that every dollar you spend propels your business closer to its goals. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to share them with fellow entrepreneurs. Let's work together to turn financial challenges into triumphant success stories. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment.